Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is some sort of day. Wednesday, the 10th, and I'm a mess. I worked out at lunch today because I wanted to get in. I'm a hot mess. I wanted to get in before Hurricane Michael came. I gave myself the day off yesterday, so I did close my rings. So I walked at lunch for 30 minutes with some of my coworkers. Didn't do it hard, just literally walked, and it was so nice. We didn't do anything like vigorous, it was just what it was. But I was like, I need to close my rings, even if like I hadn't given myself a day off in like 2.5 weeks, and I'm becoming super obsessive. And like I've always said I hyper focus, and I'm hyper focusing on that right now, so I'm trying to dial it back and just chill, but it's hard. So we it looks like we're not in the direct path of Hurricane Michael. Like it's hit Panama, and like it was curving a lot more towards Florida, but it shifted towards Georgia. I mean, it's always gonna hit Georgia, but it's now looks like it may between Macon and Atlanta. So we're not gonna ever get the eye of the storm unless it like actually shifts, because Atlanta, like if you look at the little Atlanta, that's where I am. And so it looks like it's gonna miss us, like as far as like the eye, but we still may get like 30 to 40 mile an hour winds, which is a lot. It's a lot more than I'm used to. So my poor cat, the asshole Louis, he is petrified of thunder. So this may be the only food he eats today, because he may get petrified and go into the basement. What are you doing, Demi? You in there? No? You don't want, no? Okay. So yeah, that's kind of what's going on. We may lose power, so that may not be too exciting. I need to make sure everything is charged, because like we'll still have internet with, not like here, like on, like in the house, but like on our phones. Unless the whole world shuts down, and then that would really stink. I should make sure our brick is charged too, which I need to do anyway. Is that not focused? I feel like it's not focused. Hello, okay. Nope. Oh well, it's probably better. Just red face at all times. So yeah, that's what's going on. I'm trying to decide what I want to do with my nails. I think, so I'm obsessed with baby boomers. That's like originally like what got me into doing nails, and I kind of want to do another baby boomer set, but I think I may like switch it up and like do like a solid one and maybe like an all glitter one, but have it really light for the next couple weeks. So yeah, that's where I am, and I'll check in a little bit later. It's only like 5, so it's still super early. All right, just went upstairs to get you. I am going to do a little bit of cleaning. I'm going to do my dishes from yesterday. I haven't done them. We went out to dinner today instead of eating our leftovers. So I'm gonna do some dishes, and I figured I'd let you watch if you wanted to. If not, then I'm sorry, you can skip it. I did work out. My hair is a mess, but you're used to that. That's fine. All right, I am back. So Hurricane Michael, thankfully, staying away from us. So we are in Atlanta, and it took a much, dear Mike playing video games with his friends. It's so hilarious. Yeah, so we thought it would actually hook more towards Atlanta, but it looks like the highest like the eye is getting is like towards Macon. So we thankfully are out of the clear, but oh man, people are getting hit so hard. I'm thinking about all y'all. It is terrible, especially since some people didn't even know that they would get it. we're in Atlanta and we're lucky. We are definitely inland. We're not in Florida. All my family in Florida is safe, so that is good. Thankfully, they stayed out of damage. So, oh, my hair going crazy today. But yeah, I got some of my more crafty things in. I need to do a haul. That order finally shipped and my foiling machine will be here tomorrow. I'm going to be printing, I think, the Grinch kit tonight. It's 8:30, so I think I'm gonna kick off a little bit tonight. I really have no idea how much to print because I don't want to overprint and cut, even though it's so long before. Biggie! Even though it's so long before Christmas, like, I'm sure they would sell, but since I'm going out of town, like, Wednesday, I want to get as many done beforehand, but that's kind of what those weekend's for. But even though we're at Oktoberfest on Saturday, so I won't have any time to do it Saturday. Don't know. We'll see. We'll see what ends up happening here. Oh yeah? Oh yeah? It's trash day. Ignore the bundle of trash. Mickey's, what are you doing? Hi. Hello. How you doing? What are you doing? You being cute? Hmm? Say hi to the internet. No? You don't want to say hi? Moody. Okay, bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I literally just got in from my walk. Like, my timer is still going because my heart rate is still above 100. I stop it at 100. I got my new foiling machine. The package has looked a little better. Yeah, there's like a tear on the other side too. So hopefully it isn't fragile because that would suck. So I'm going to test it tonight. I want to print those and I would love to get them up tomorrow, meaning Friday, since today is Thursday. All right, the 11th. So yeah, that's where we're at. We are doing leftovers. We did the sausage pasta, which I think I showed you guys. Maybe not. I feel like I'm still sweaty. I'm sorry. Like, I literally just walked in from my workout. So that's leftovers for dinner. So I figured I would get going. I took Tuesday off, but I still closed my rings. So I went on a walk instead of, like, literally a 30-minute walk at lunch with my coworker, and that was it. So I'm now thinking I need to put in a rest day, but even, cause like, I've mentioned this before, I hyper focus. Oh, I'm dripping. And I think that Scam Likely is calling from Las Vegas, Nevada. Decline that. That I hyper focus, so I'm so focused on this fitness thing right now, and I just need to bring it into like realism. So it's fine to hyper focus, but, and I know I hyper focus, and I've said this like 8 million times. I'm dripping sweat. Just keep it together and keep it strong. So yeah, we walked 3.5 miles and I walked a mile at lunch. So I'm at 4.5 miles for the day. I will finish up with just about 400 calories for this walk. And then lunch was about 140. So I'm gonna end with 540 for the day, which is a really good workout day. But I think I wasn't over yesterday in calories, I was over the day before. So hopefully that will even it out, and weigh-in is tomorrow. I kind of jumped on the scale this morning, and it just necessarily go my way. So I'm hoping that it's just because of that time and, you know, stuff like that. So yeah, but I will show you the kits later today, hopefully. Fingers crossed.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna let it rain tonight. We gonna let it rain tonight. We gonna let it just like the sunrise. We gonna let it rain.
All right, so we may have a problem. I thought, well, maybe it's the foil I'm using, but this new guy is not foiling, like, at all. I have it all the way up, and it's a lot. So I tried it with gold, did not adhere at all. I mean, it adhered some, but like the Grinch, it's all black. It's supposed to be a color. Or a foil, I should say. So I'm gonna try to run it through again, this time at 180. I had it up at 199, and this is like 4 times through. And like you can see, like this isn't even foiled. So I may have to go buy a mink instead of this machine. Yikes. That's a lot of money. I mean, there's clear spots you can see, like just black. And this is running it through the second time over the same sheet, so I don't know. I really, really, really wanted these foiled and done tonight. Like I did the listing photo, which I already posted on Instagram that it's coming, but I guess that's my fault for not testing the foil to make sure it works before posting that it's coming. So, yeah. I don't know what to do. This really pisses me off. Just like, nothing seems to be going right at the moment. Like I can't use the mink. I mean, I could and just actually throw away a copy paper. But, so essentially, yeah, you can see it. Yeah, it looks like the roller melted. So that's in the trash. I think that's what that is. I just don't know what to do. This kit was so cute too, especially the foiled. But you can see, I mean, it's all missing there. I think the problem with this machine is it's too fast for the paper I use, which is glossy. I could switch to premium matte because I think the person who told me to get it uses premium matte, and she said it does it beautifully, and her stickers are beautiful, so I believe her. So I gotta figure out, like, yeah, her foil is on point, like, and her stickers are on point too. So I gotta figure something out. It may just be the glossy paper. Just doesn't work with this. But I foiled actually someone else's stickers. Yeah, and I had to run it through twice. So these are not mine, but I bought these in black and white, but you can see like right there. And this is running through it twice. These ones did okay, but these ones didn't. And I noticed on my foiling as well, like one side vastly did better than the other side. But it's a brand new machine and it's like a heavy duty machine, so I don't know if I just need to like let it run for like a little bit. But in the directions it didn't say it needed to run. It just said it's gonna like burn off, essentially smoke, until it burns off whatever residue is on there. Y'all, I don't know, like at all. Oh, I'm stressed. Okay, well, sitting here 5 minutes talking about that, not gonna do much, so. All right, I'm gonna give myself the night off.